What we got to do up here is cut the IBR on. What you want to do is hold the IBR trigger and it'll go into override mode. Hit OK, then drop the VTS, and it's going to drop your bucket. So that way you can reach in there, and I'll show you how to get that off by hand. Okay, what we're going to do, we're going to take off these T30 bolts to be able to reach our hand in there, and we're going to G.I. Joe Kung Fu grip the plug off. They say you need to take the bucket off, but I'm going to show you how to do it otherwise. Okay, we got our bucket off, got our IBR down, took off the deflector. We got a clean shot at going right in here to the plug. So I'll show you what this looks like in here. So you see the plug. Normally they want you to remove all this to get in here, but if you got strong hands like I do, all you have to do is reach in there and turn towards the front. So normally I take it, your right hand is the strongest, so you reach in here from the front, get this like that, and then you twist it forward and grab and get it out. So it's hard for me to do it with the camera, but I'm gonna get it out and we'll see if we can record it. All right, I'm gonna reach in here and get this off. Don't mind the noise if somebody's bouncing a basketball over there. We got it coming off. These are only supposed to be on hand tight, so 95% of them are just hand tight. And we got it all the way off.